In 1962, a groundbreaking Western arrived on our screens. It was called The Virginian, and it began with a powerful 90-minute episode titled The Executioners. This was no ordinary opener, it set the stage for an iconic series. The story kicks off with Tom Newcomb, a drifter hanging in the balance. Accused of murdering a woman, his guilt is a matter of fierce debate in Medicine Bow. However, schoolteacher Celia Ames stands firm, refusing to provide an alibi. This decision seals Tom's fate, leaving viewers questioning justice. Enter Paul Taylor, a mysterious stranger. He lands at Shiloh Ranch and swiftly catches Celia's eye. Charming yet elusive, his arrival stirs suspicion in Judge Garth and the sheriff. As tension mounts, revelations about the murder and Paul's true intentions begin to surface. The Executioners boldly introduces us to moral complexities. Justice is rarely black and white. People have hidden depths, and the frontier reflects both physical and psychological battles. We see this complexity unfold with characters like Judge Garth, full of authority, and Trampas, bursting with youthful spirit. Now, the pacing can feel slower by today's standards. Some character motivations, like Celia's, aren't fully fleshed out. Yet, this extended runtime allows the story to breathe. It offers a level of depth that many later Westerns struggle to achieve. The cultural impact of this episode is undeniable. It heralded TV's first 90-minute Western, proving audiences craved richer, cinematic storytelling. It also paved the way for James Drury's iconic role as the Virginian, shaping the Western genre for years to come. But beyond entertainment, the episode brings life lessons. It warns us how fear can warp justice. We're urged to look deeper beyond appearances and question simplistic truths. Often, the reality we seek hides behind the very people we trust. From a filmmaking perspective, The Executioners is a masterclass. It shows how atmosphere and character-driven narratives can create tension. Silence, suspicion, and gradual reveals are techniques we still see in today's acclaimed TV dramas. So, as we look back, The Executioners is not just an episode, it's a rich introduction to a world. It encapsulates why the Virginian remains a towering figure in television history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this.